Hello everyone and welcome to episode 2 of the Vespa Restoration Project. As you can see, I have my dad in the back there. He's helping me out on this episode. We're going to be doing some hardener and filler on some of the bodywork. So yeah, let's get into it. As you can see here, we have all of the other parts of the body. Everything's been sanded to the fenders, to the handlebars, and etc., etc. And so, just filler now. If I go over here, as you can see, my father here is currently taping the back of the Vespa to smoothen out the line with some epoxy.
Welding joint.
There you go. And he's also outlined a lot of the bodywork from pencil, as you can see there. And that's where we need to smoothen everything up a little bit. So yeah. So as you can see, the back has now been taped, where the tape is extending just to the top of the highest point of the welding line. So we have to put epoxy over that, make it nice and straight. Now it is being done here by my hobby. Alright, so this is the primer and all the hardener and everything that we have.
I need the compound first.
That's the primer.
This one.
And we're going to be prepping it on a sheet of tile over there.
So, basics. Take some compound. Oh, this is a good one, soft one. Mix it first. Okay. You have to see how much you need. So, start with a small amount first. Okay. This is it. Close it. Then you need hardener. Not this one. This one. A little bit. Like that.
Okay.
Then you pick up it,
Alright. Mix it.
mix it thoroughly and quickly. You had literally like 3-5 minutes to work with this. Alright.
So now you're just spreading it evenly across the tape.
Yeah.
Alright. Pretty simple. Seems simple enough.
Nice straight line.
Mm-hmm.
Take the piece like garden. You don't push too hard, and otherwise you remove too much material.
Mm-hmm.
Alright.
And so all you do is just create it level with the tape. If you see any
Yeah.
uneven places.
Use the tape as a guide. Probably have to do it a couple of times.
Alright, so we had some uneven spots in the front as well. So we're putting some of the compound on there, making it nice and smooth. We've also hammered out the dents by the horn.
Yeah, we drop it.
Yeah, I showed them. As you can see, just with a hammer and some small tools, it's now nice and straight. Whoops. Nice and straight, nice and smooth. Camera's all over the place.
Okay.
guys for watching the second episode of the Vespa restoration project with my dad, my wonderful dad. And soon we will start. What? Primer, another coat, and then sanding. I'm actually asking you a question.
Sand it first. And then we'll start to prepare for painting. It's a long process, but we will get there.
All right. See you next episode. Bye.